Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. Do you want to add sponsored post prefix or suffix to your post title in WordPress? This can be done easily by adding a small piece of code in your settings. So in this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add sponsored post prefix to post title in WordPress. I want to add sponsored post prefix text before my blog title. So let's begin with moving with dashboard. Now hover onto appearance and then click on theme editor. Now click on theme functions. Now here you have to add a small piece of code. Make sure you have a recent backup of your website so that if anything goes wrong, you can restore it later. So this code is also shared in description. You can copy it from there directly. So I'll copy the code and I'll paste it at the end of the file. Now this code will add sponsored post as prefix to post title in WordPress. If you want to change this content, you can change that content within the span tags. As you can see that on the screen, within span tags you can choose the content which you want to be displayed. So copy the word sponsored. Now click on update file button. Now after that, hover on to post and then click on all posts. You can create a new post or edit an existing one. I am just editing an existing one. Now click on the screen options on the top right and check the box next to custom fields option in the menu. Now scroll down and in the custom field meta box, click on enter new and add sponsored in the custom field name and true in the value field. Now click on add custom field button and once added, then click on the update button. That's all. Now let's move to our website to check the same. And here you can see that the sponsored post has been added as title prefix. Now if you want to highlight this text, so you just need to add a small piece of CSS to your theme. So let's go to appearance and then click on customize. Now in the left sidebar, click on additional CSS at the end and then enter the code. This code is also being provided to you in the description. Now click on publish button. You can modify the CSS if you have the knowledge of CSS, otherwise it's very simple. As you can see that the background color can be changed using this and it's very easy to edit. Now let's move back to our website to check if it's actually applied or not. So now if I go to my website, you can see that the sponsored post text is now highlighted. Now if you want to add suffix to the post title, you can also do the same by going to appearance and then clicking on theme editor. Now go to theme functions. Now here you have to enter a small piece of code. Make sure you have a recent backup of your website so that if anything goes wrong, you can always restore it later. So this is the code for the function suffix. Now here as well, if you want to change the content, you can change it in the span tags. Now after you add this code at the end, just click on update file button. Now if you study the code, we have made two changes. We have added a single letter space before the sponsored text and then we have switched the order to display $title first. So basically we are just showing the title first and then the words. So that's all. Now if you go to your website, you can see that the sponsored post suffix is being displayed along with the post title. So that's how easy it is to add these things. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.
I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your question. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer, and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now, to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.